Na usitembe. Angalia hii kamera. Face this camera.
Yes. As colleagues, are we happy?
No.
When we're not being paid by clients, are we happy?
No.
When the judges are not here, are we happy?
No.
When practice is dead at High Court, are we happy?
No.
Without money, are we happy?
No.
Now, as far as we're concerned, it is all clear from the members, from the fraternity of the bar from Eldoret, that the members and the colleagues are not happy bunch. The reason being is because we don't have judges around. We have not had practice for the last, is it more than 1 year? I mean 1 month. And to be precise, let us just be honest, for the more than 1 year. Am I right, colleagues?
You are right.
And it's a high time that, of course, this needs to be addressed. And this is the only way to be able to do it, by way of going through a boycott.
Why are these people here?
Are we being tear gassed?
I hope.
No.
Continue.
So as far as we are concerned,
Control them.
are you okay?
Yeah, we are fine.
Ask why these people here.
So as far as you're concerned, in a nutshell, what you're saying is this issue needs to be addressed once and for all. We need to kind of reclaim the position of Eldoret station, and to ensure that as far as this station is concerned, we are also, our interests are being catered for and not to be ignored.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And you can see the way the judiciary is being intimidated. When we are here raising our issues, we can see a contingent of police officers coming here. I don't know whether they're coming to intimidate anybody. We don't know whether they're coming to provide security or tear gas us. You know, these are some of the things that we cannot take lightly. But we are ready for them. Yes.
Sir, the issue of money to release this High Court.
Yeah.